Okay, so after you watch the video in the slideshow or in Canvas, you're going to pull this sheet up, and we're going to fill this top one out together today, and then tomorrow you're going to do the bottom half. So we are talking about the Finding Nemo clip here. So the question says, where in the text does the unexpected event or statement show up? So where in the video does the unexpected event or statement show up? So think about that for a minute. What is unexpected or contradictory to how characters should normally act? So in this clip, the sharks are reciting their pledge not to eat other fish. That's what they're doing. And then this is contradictory, or the opposite of how sharks would normally act, because most fish, or most sharks eat fish. What inference can you make about why the character would act this way? So think about, why would the sharks make this pledge? Why would they say, we're not going to eat fish? So there's a couple of things. Maybe the sharks might be trying to change the way other fish look at them by acting, or by making adjustments to their diet, therefore becoming more approachable for other fish, or something like that. So there you go. Very simple, very easy. If you have more questions, let me know by making adjustments. There you go.